Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will have sinigang na hipon. Okay, so of course we need shrimp, and then we have onion, garlic, we have tomato there, and taro, eggplant, radish, and we have the kangkong or the water spinach. Okay, so we have here 1/2 kilo of shrimp. So let's go. Okay, slice the eggplant. And then we have the radish here. So peel off, and then we have to slice this also. And we have the taro, or we call it butig in Cebuano. And yeah, slice them like that. We also have the garlic, the onion, and then of course our tomato. And then we also have our chili pepper, but it's optional if you don't want spicy. But we really like spicy sinigang, so that's it. And then we are going to prepare our Chinese kangkong or our water spinach. Okay, let's boil some water. So we have here 3 cups. And then when it's boiled, so lagay natin yung onion, garlic, tomato, at saka yung chili pepper natin. After 2 minutes, ilagay na natin yung radish and eggplant. Okay, mix lang ng konti. Guys, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Itakpan natin, and then let's leave it for about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. And then, ayan, ilagay na natin yung hipon or yung shrimp. And then, of course, yung sinigang mix, Knorr Sinigang Mix, para pampaasim. Okay, and of course, we have to put some salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, and then yung stock ng kangkong. So, ayan, after 2 minutes, yeah, so naging orange na yung shrimp natin, yung hipon, tsaka medyo malambot na rin yung stock. Guys, if kulang pa ng asin or kulang ng sinigang mix, dagdagan nyo. So, according to your taste. So, now, nilagay na natin yung dahon ng kangkong. Okay, or your water spinach natin. Or huli yung dahon kasi madali siyang maluto. So, we don't want to overcook our vegetable. At kung hindi pa siya masyadong maasim, guys, you put more sinigang mix. And then, kung matabang pa siya, lagyan nyo ng asin. So, according to your taste pa rin. Wala kasi kaming kamyas, guys. Wala kaming tamarind, yung unripe tamarind. So, if you have it, the better. Okay, so, our sinigang na hipon is so ready. Ikaw na lang yung hindi ready. Aww. I hope you like this video, guys. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you!